Hey Shay, how's your first canoe trip?
What is your rain face?
Show us your rain face.
What's a rain face?
Well, we've got thunder, lightning, and everything.
Well, at least we're not on the river.
Yeah, we're off the river.
She's coming in strong. Yes. It's a good day though. A lot of wind, a lot of rain, a lot of joy, a lot of pain.
Yeah. Are you having fun, Shay? Yeah?
I'm taking a video. He's taking a video.
Yeah.
Daddy? Yeah, I'm taking a video now.
What's the name of this campground?
Star something.
We're at the Star Something campground on day 2 of our paddle, and got here just in time to set up tarps and everything before the thunder showers came. Anyways, we're going to go back to making dinner. What's for dinner?
Bean burritos.
Bean burritos.
Sauteed onions. And garlic.